Just got my new wrench set right here. Thought I'd just film me opening it, cracking it open for the first time, so you guys can see it too if you're thinking about getting it. There we go. Nice hard case, like super solid hard case. A little bit of foam right there to help keep stuff nice and safe. I like that each one has its own individual slot. Super nice. There's definitely some bigger versions of this. Say this is like a medium size. Handle could be thicker, but I mean, definitely gonna do the trick for me. Here's a look at a few of these. All in really nice condition. Not scratched up or anything like that, or chipped or anything, so solid.